Hello guys, as I promised you that I would make a video and explain to you how you can make money by selling your own ebooks. You can actually make more than 50,000 Kenya shillings as I have been doing by selling your own ebooks. So today I will show you my statistics and this business unaanza, you can write your own ebooks or you can even buy ebooks online, zile za public domain, and you sell them and unazipromote to FB with only 500. You start with 500, you promote them, and you'll actually make good money. For me, I make more than 50,000 Kenya shillings every single month. I've been doing this for 3 months, and every month it has never gone below 5,000. Sometimes I make 100. So I will show you, like last month I made 121,000. So I will show you the statistics on and I have my own website. It is www.biz.plans.co.ke. You can find the books there. So let me show you. Yeah, so guys, this is my website, www.biz.plans.co.ke. This is where I sell ebooks in forms of business plans. Like if you need a business plan for something, you can buy from here. For example, I sell business plans for eggs and smoky business at only 20 shillings. Money transfer, agent business. If you want to start a money agent transfer, you can find the business plan here. Rent a shelf business. If you want to start a cosmetic business, you can just download the full business plan here. They are all in ebooks. Now let me show you the statistics of my website, how much I've been making for the last 3 months. So I'll show you statistics here 1 month. So for 1 month, I've been able, the last month, I was able to do 121,000 from only 2,000 visitors. And you can see the statistics. So you can actually make money from selling ebooks on your own website. Now, Pati, I'm giving you the permission to go to my website here and buy. You can buy the plans, or if you want to maybe start this business, you can actually give me the work for doing your website at only 5,000 Kenya shillings. This business I started with like 6K. 5K is for website, 1K is for promotion. You can promote your business on Facebook with only 500 shillings. Remember, to have a website, you need a domain. A domain name goes for 1,580, and you also need the hosting. Hosting for a whole year is only 2,000. So guys, go out there and make money by selling your own ebooks. Remember to follow for more. I'll be showing you how you can also make money by other ways. Bye.